Northwest Wine Company was founded in 2003 as a custom wine growing facility. We own about 500 acres of vineyard, all in the Willamette Valley, AVA, in Oregon. And we produce wine for several different brands, including Kudos and Domaine Lubijac for Total Wine. The Willamette Valley has a unique terroir. I think the founders of the industry were spot on and knew that it would be an excellent region for growing Pinot Noir. I met Laurent in 2006. He hired me first as an intern. He's a winemaker, first and foremost, and he's obsessed with making quality Oregon Pinot Noir. He's absolutely a mentor, and I've learned an incredible amount working under him. He's also a leader and a visionary in the industry. I think he gets most excited when he can take a bare piece of land and to create an amazing wine from a blank canvas is really what drives him. Kudos Willamette Valley Pinot Noir comes from a variety of vineyard sources. Kudos is a blend, and really what we're trying to do is to display the typicity of Oregon Pinot Noir and really the terroir of the Willamette Valley. Classic Oregon Pinot Noir should be slightly earthy and slightly fruity, but it should first and foremost be indicative of the place it was grown. Willamette Valley is the gold standard for New World Pinot Noir.